I'm entitled to it. I was on medication and I feel well. I also take my medication, so I don't have a stomach problem, so I have to eat. Anyhow, today I'm trying to do a try on with the fact that I hurt my hand. I'm trying to move it up. It's moving a little better today. Anyhow, let's get into it because it's going to be short and I'm in pain. I already have this top on and a little accessory. So I am going to pair it with this pants. Let me get into it. It's hard, not that hard to get dressed depending on what you're gonna put on with your hand, with using one hand, right? And you see, it's my little accessory. Yeah, sometimes I like to do crazy stuff like this. Doesn't necessarily have to go with it. And there you go. What do you think? See? I told you I would actually pair this with a sandals, and it all depends on the weather. If it's winter, I would probably put a leggings under this with this, and or a boot, just a little flat boot, or just a regular shoe, and kind of a cover up, maybe a nice jacket, black, or something out of this green, knowing me. So there you go, there you go. Right? Sick but still doing what I need to do, right? Thank you all for watching. Welcome to my channel. If you are a oldie, that means you are already a subscriber to this channel. Hi, welcome. I just want to give another shout out to Cole Rockford. Thank you very much for subscribing and for commenting, because a lot of people don't realize, even though I want to have subscribers and whatever, I still want to have friends and make friends out of this and have people who I can talk with. That's me. I want to be able to communicate with, and some of these persons on my channel, they comment, they show concern, they like what they let me know what they like, and I kind of like that. So don't be shy. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into it because, as I say, I'm not well, so I'm gonna try on something else. I brought shoes down to try on, but I can't even go into the shoes, so let me show you guys how I do it. I did my face today. It took a little time. I've been on it like almost an hour and a half trying to fix it. Little lipstick. Right, so there you go. Alright, today is easy dressing day, so I will put this on for you all. It's a bodygon dress. I can easily well put my hand through it and pull it over. Right? So let's see me do it. And with this dress, I don't need any help. Because it has no zip. There you go. Right? I'll wear this with, I was telling you that I was going to try on any with boots. Let's see if I can. Right? So I will pair this with a boot. It's probably the best one I try on today because it's not so bad. It's kind of easy. Unzip this more. Oh, this one. Oh. There you go. I hope you all can see it. So I will pair it with a boot, and not finished yet. This would be my wear with it. I can't put my hand in that once, so let me try it on this side and see. There you go. Oh, wow. It is difficult. Mind you, I would have, there you go. I probably would have gone with this. Aren't I lovely, darling? Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. Look, see? Kind of goes with it. Hold on a second, let me see. I want you to be able to see. Right. It kind of goes with it. Yeah. So this is dress number 2, because I did put on an outfit before, right? It's uncomfortable because my hand is paining me. One of my subscribers told me not to push myself, but I want to, you know. Sometimes we have to push ourselves a little. So I'm just going to put on a few more and see. So basically, this is the hardest part because it's a bodygun, so it kind of stuck to your body. So to take it off, there you go. Ta-da! Thank you, Lord. That was hard. And I don't know if I can take the boot off right now. So let me try on another bodygun, being as this bodygun day, and see how this one works. It's hard because it's on the wrong side. So I'm trying to put it on. I'm trying to put it on the other side. Now you see that people, you know, this sometimes things happen to us for us to be a little more compassionate to people who are unable to do what we are able to do on a daily basis, right? Without help, because not all of us want help, and that's sometimes I wish I could use my hand. Sometimes I forget and I try, but I know I can't. So I'm not gonna push this up under here like you guys would. Put my hand out. There you go. I feel like I'm getting it. Oh shit! I came mushroom. That's how I curse. And there you go. Oh, what a fight. Alright, so this is another bodygun. This one is much taller. It could also go with the boots, but I kind of iffy about that, but never mind that. I would need another bra, not the sport bra, but y'all understand that. Alright, so this can be one like that. I wanted to bring my little caps or hats that I have. And if it's cold, I would pair it with this. So I don't know if I can get my, oh yeah, I should be able to get my hand in this because this is stretchy. But let's see, because if not, there you go. And this is a cardigan duster, and it is ankle length. I'm trying. I am trying. I am trying. I am trying. Oh my God, this one's hard. Oh, shiitake mushroom. There you go. But so I would probably wear this with this in winter and now, which is fall. But I've been in California here, even though it's fall for some places. We are still having nice warm weather. It can't be cold in the morning, and it is cool at night. Very cool. So it started off in the 50s in the morning, and it heats up throughout the day. Today they said it's going to be 12 degrees lesser than yesterday, and yesterday was about 87 or so. So let's see. I'm inside, so I don't know. I haven't been outside. So basically, I'm doing it. It's kind of hard. This try-on thing with one and well, one more down. Let me see my arm. Okay, the easiest one to do, right? This is the part that kind of work. Oh shit, that can look good. There you go. Oh, the things I do. But that's me. I don't give up. I don't let anything hold me back. I don't know if I want to put on anything else. Let me see if I could. This one, I could put this on. Shiitake mushroom. See? Crazy like me, right? Alright. Oh yeah. This one is a little, this one should be a bit easier. There you go. Honestly, you guys, this is a dress for me. It's a top, but, and it's, I think it's a 1X or, I think it's so large, but I'll wear it like this as a dress. Right, here we go. We all think I will wear this as a dress. Can you imagine me dancing at a party? Wind up a body, never wind up a body. Wind up a body, never wind up a body. Wind up a body, never wind up a body. Yeah. So, another one. Thank you, Lord, I'm almost finished. I think I have another one, but I'm gonna finish this vlog. I am so tired. It is so tiring to put your clothes on or to do a try on with one hand. I think I did a pretty good job. Comment and let me know what you guys think. But you know me, I'm gonna keep this on. Knowing me, I'll probably get another color tie. I actually bought this tie at Sears a couple of years ago. You know, that's me. I'm crazy like that. I just want to be a little different sometimes. So knowing me, I'll probably pair this with just something colorful to have this kind, you know. So there you go. Thank you very much for staying and watching this whole vlog. I really appreciate it. Thank you all who decide to stick with me and, you know, be a part of my community. I really appreciate you all. And don't be a stranger for you all out there. Send me comments. Drop me hit that notification bell. See, I'm losing it. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Georgia. Another fun fact about me is I told you guys that I love glasses, I love socks, I love nuts and fruits. Another fun fact is I like to dance. Dance, baby, dance. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can't do much right now. Anyhow, enough about me. Thank you all again for watching. Stay tuned to this channel. I'm sure as my hands get better, I'll be able to put out more, you know, vlogs for you all. And stay tuned for more. And thank you again. I hope you enjoy this crazy try on. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Oh my God. So let me take these off right now. that's a wrap. What am I going to put on? I'm going to take off these shoes. Oh, you guys are still there? Oh, man. Still there, right? What a work. Oh my God. I tell you. You know, I'm more sympathetic to the regs around the house today. So, this is easy to wear. It's nice up in the house. I'm by myself. I don't have to put on any clothes. So, thanks again for watching. Have a great one. Bye. Oh my God, I'm a mess, but who cares? I'm sick. Yeah, I'm sick. Thank you. Bye-bye.